नमस्ते एवरीवन. नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू. खुश रहो बेटियों. आई जेवियन अमित कुमार शर्मा. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कशंस द चैप्टर ऑफ हार्ट ऑफ डार्कनेस written by Joseph Carnard. Today we are going to discussions first session summary and analysis. At first we listen carefully every students. New characters: the director of companies, captain and owner of the boat. I unnamed narrator of the on the boat. Neat and clean पहले भी बता चुका हूँ. The lawyer, the accountant, pupil on the boat in the Thames. Charles Marlowe also on the boat tells the story of his journey. उस जर्नी की बात बताता है वो. उस जर्नी के दौरान की सारी घटनाएं बता रहा है वो. To see cut deep in the jungle. To neat woman they sit outside the outer office. The doctor कहता है he examined Marlowe before his journey. तो आंट कहती है related to Marlowe's helps him get his appointments to ship. The Swedish captain, the man in charge of the light sea-going steamer. And next, the company chief accountant, his neat appearance contrasts with the chores of the station, the dying agent, the man tormented by the flies at the station, the manager, leader to station which survives because of his excellent health, the pilgrims, workers and carry long staves and want to chance to obtain ivory. The brickmaker does secretly work for the manager but does not seem to make bricks. The boilmaker, a good worker who takes to Marlowe about the habits they need. देन इन सब बातों की एक समरी है. अपन क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि ए बोट द नील इज डॉक्ड इन द थैम्स. इट इज सेल्स आर स्टील एंड द वाटर and sea calm. An unnamed narrator who refers to himself only as I introduce the pupil on board. 4 people sit on deck besides himself. The director of companies, the lawyer and the accountant and Marley. The director of companies is the captain and host. An elderly man, the lawyer sits on the rug for comfort, while the accountant play with a box of dominoes. Finally, Marley sits cross-legged, his arms dropped, his palms facing outwards. The narrator says they exchange a few words lazily. The unnamed narrator thinks of great history of the sea, its pupil and ships. He mentioned Sir Francisco Darke and Sir John Franklin. He recalls the Golden Hind and the Erebus and the Terror ship for the past. He mentioned all the greatness, dreams, and empire of history. The sun sets in the distance, the lights from the Chapman lighthouse ships and London shine at night. Still a lurid glare glows between London and the sky. ये इसका एक Marley speak about London, say how it is being one too dark place on the earth. No one respond. The narrator tells us Marley is the only who still follows the sea. They consider him to be vendors. Their home is the ship. Their country is the sea. He says Marley is not typical for Marley when he tells a tale. It meaning it is not inside like a candle but outside. Suddenly, Marley begins talking about the Romans and ancient time. He pictures and cold fog, disease and battles with the savage natives they had to endure. He admires the courage of face darkness in the posture of a Buddha. He speaks about how they use only force and violence to get what they wanted. Concepts back then, he says, meant stealing from people who were different from you. He believes there is a more needed to redeem mankind, something to bow down before and offer a sacrifice to. Marley stopped speaking There is no silence and no one speaks. When he starts talking again, he begins to tell a story of one his journey. He says it reveals something about himself. ये आपके फर्स्ट स्टैंजा में, आपके फर्स्ट सेशन में आपको एक समरी के रूप में मैंने आपको डिस्क्राइब किया है कि ऐसे ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स उसमें घटित होते हैं. नेक्स्ट आपको नेक्स्ट में बताऊंगा कि सेकंड सेक्शन में क्या क्या होता है. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.